Find the values of 5 other trigonometric functions if sin x is equal to 3 by 5. X lies in the second quadrant. So we have a triangle here. That means the sides of this triangle, there are 3 and 5, which means we need to determine this side, right? So let's just call it A. It will be equal to something. Using Pythagoras theorem, this is 3 squared plus a squared is equal to 5 squared, or a squared is equal to 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16, or a is equal to root 16, which is equal to plus or minus 4. But since this is the length of a triangle, the value cannot be negative, so we have a equals to 4. Okay, so now we have all the 3 sides of a triangle. We want to find the other 5 functions, right? So I have here sec x and cos x. Okay, so sin x is given to us. This is 3 by 5. Further, it says that x lies in the second quadrant. So using ASTC rule, or this just means all angles are positive in the first quadrant, only sine is positive in the second quadrant, only tan is positive in the third quadrant, and only cos is positive in the fourth quadrant. So cosec x is just a reciprocal of sin x, which means this would be 5 by 3. Tan x, so tan x is 3 by 4, and since the angle lies in the second quadrant, this value will be negative, so this is minus 3 by 4. So cot x is just a reciprocal of this, which means cot x would be minus 4 by 3. And then sec x, right, or cos x. And then we have cos x, so cos x is 3 by 5. That's the magnitude. And since the angle is in the second quadrant, the value of the function cos would be negative, so this is minus 3 by 5, and then sec x would be just a reciprocal of this, which is minus 5 by 3. Okay, that's the answer. I hope it's clear.